Understanding Twigs and Branches, a guide to natural elements in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of natural vocabulary, focusing on twigs and branches. These words are not only essential for nature lovers but also for anyone looking to enrich their English vocabulary. Let's explore what these terms mean, their usage, and the subtle differences between them. Twigs are the small, thin, and young shoots that grow out from a branch of a tree or plant. They are the finer divisions at the ends of branches, often delicate and flexible. When we talk about twigs, we're referring to the very smallest parts of a tree's structure, the parts that would easily snap between your fingers. They're important in nature for growth and the development of new leaves, flowers, or fruits. On the other hand, branches are the larger, sturdier parts of a tree or plant. They grow out from the main trunk and form the framework that supports the tree's leaves, flowers, and fruits. Branches can vary in size, from relatively small to very large limbs. Unlike twigs, branches are strong and provide structural support to the tree, allowing it to spread out and absorb more sunlight. The phrases, twigs and branches, can also be used metaphorically in English. In literature or everyday speech, they might represent smaller details and larger concepts or structures, respectively. For example, focusing on the twigs could mean paying attention to the minute details of a project, while considering the branches might refer to understanding the broader aspects or categories. Let's look at some examples to see how these terms can be used in sentences. For twigs, after the storm, the ground was littered with twigs and leaves. For branches, the old oak's branches stretched wide, providing ample shade. These examples show how twigs and branches describe different parts of trees but can also be used to enrich our language and descriptions of the natural world. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of twigs and branches in English. These terms not only connect us more deeply to the natural world but also enhance our descriptive language skills. Keep exploring English with us, and remember, every little twig of knowledge contributes to the strong branches of your language learning journey. See you in the next video.